Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending June 7th, the major indexes marginally increased, with the NASDAQ the biggest gainer as investors digested the week's economic news. The ISM Manufacturing PMI remained in contraction territory, declining from 49.2 in April to 48.07 in May. Construction spending declined once again in April, down 0.1% as non-residential construction weakened again. Expectations were for a gain of 0.2%. Factory orders in April were in line with expectations and up for the third consecutive month. Job openings in April declined by 296,000, the lowest since February of 21, as the labor market continues to show signs of slowing. The ISM Services PMI came in at 53.8 in May, stronger than expected, showing some strength in the U.S. service economy. The U.S. trade deficit increased to $74.6 billion in April, the highest since October of 22. Exports increased by $2.1 billion, while imports increased by $8 billion. The non-farm payroll number of 272,000 jobs for May was stronger than expected. However, the Household Employment Survey showed a decline of 408,000 during the same month, and therefore the unemployment rate increased from 3.9 to 4%. Part-time jobs are far outpacing full-time jobs. And the labor participation rate declined from 62.7 to 62.5%. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 2.9%, the S&P is up 12.1%, and the NASDAQ is up 14.1%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.43%. Oil closed at $75.43 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,287.90 an ounce, with silver closing at $29.17 an ounce. For this week of June 10th, Wednesday, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, and the minutes of the Fed's May meeting will be reported. CPI, as you know, is a measure of the change in the price of goods and services that consumers pay. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, the Producer Price Index, and Core PPI, which excludes food and energy. PPI is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. And on Friday, the Import Price Index and Consumer Sentiment will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.